Hey DIYers! Today on Make Your Mark, we're having a little bit of fun and creating some magical crystals using glaze coat resin and Marabu alcohol inks. Like everything we create, we pour our heart and passion into it, and I think these resin crystals can be just as magical as a naturally formed crystal. Just make them with good intentions and give them to people you love. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some magical crystals. You can fill these crystals with almost anything. Sand or a seashell from a favorite trip, or a tiny trinket from a piece of jewelry. Just make sure you fill them with good intentions and positive energy. Epoxy resin was first used by the aerospace industry in the 1950s. It was used both as an anti-corrosive coating as well as an adhesive. And now we're using it to make magic crystals. In Plato's account of Atlantis, crystal healing is mentioned, and according to Plato, the Atlanteans used crystals to read minds and transmit thoughts. The first historical documentation of crystals originated from the ancient Sumerians. From 4500 to 2000 BC, the Sumerians used crystals in their magical formulas. I'm going to leave a link to Marabu and glaze coat in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration and I will see you next week. Bye.